Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be doing a short little eyebrow tutorial. So I'm going to be showing y'all how to get these brows right here. They're not very natural-ish looking. I do have like a separate how do I say it, like routine for my more natural looking type of brow, but today we're going to be doing something a little bit more dramatic, something I would wear if I was wearing like a full face of makeup,
like a dramatic one, not natural one, you know what I'm saying?
Alright, so first thing I do is I brush through my brows. This isn't very necessary, I just kind of do it because my brows are like all over the place. And then I go in with the Anastasia Dip Brow. I am in the shade medium brown currently, but I really do want to change it because I don't really like the way that this color goes with my black hair. I used to always just get this one because I had dark brown hair, but I'm over it, so I want a darker one just so it, like the undertone matches better with my hair, if you know what I'm saying. So yeah, I just fill out the brow, I outline it, and I fill it in. And then like whatever is left on the brush, I do like little strokes towards the beginning of the brow, just so I don't get super like dark brows in the front. You know, less product on the brush, the better. And then the next thing that I do is I take this brow powder. I take the deepest shade in the little palette. I don't remember the name off the top of my head, but I will be sure to have it listed down below. So I take this and I fill in my eyebrows, and this is really good for like mattifying that dip brow and also filling in any bald spots that I may have here and there. And also it makes my brows look a little bit more fuller, which I really enjoy because my brows are pretty sparse and like bald, you know. And then I go in with the Benefit Gimme Brow, and I mainly like to place this towards the beginning of the brow. It really helps to make that little hair look a little thicker, a little fuller. So yeah, I just mainly focus it towards the beginning, and then I do take a little bit through the eyebrow. To clean up the brows, I use the Hard Candy Glamoflauge Concealer, and as you can see, I just kind of like outline through the bottom of the brow and make it look a little bit more straight, and clean up any areas that I might have messed up on. And even if you go a little bit too high with the concealer, you can always go back with the dip brow and correct any mistakes that you made. So then I take some more concealer and do pretty much the same thing that we just did on the bottom of the brow. I do it to the top. And this is where you can make your brow a little bit more straight, a little bit more arched, whatever you'd like. And then I always do go in with my finger and just tap out that concealer, help it blend into my skin a little bit more. And even if it's not perfectly blended, it doesn't matter because you're going to go over top of that with some foundation. So it'll just even everything out. And to finish up the brows, I always go over my eyebrow with some clear brow gel. I didn't get this in the video, but that is what I do to finish up. And that pretty much completes my brow routine. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was requested by you guys, so I hope you liked it. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video.